Hi guys, so today's the day we're going to pick the swag bag winner. I've already got it uploaded onto my laptop, so let's see who's our winner. So I already put the YouTube video link in. I'm filtering duplicate users. Not that I need to do that, but I did that just in case something funky goes on. And I'm gonna remove the selected winner from the entries. I did my little something, so let's go get our comments. So I have 21 unique comments. So I'm gonna go over here. Let's see who our winner's gonna be. Good luck to all of you who entered. Remember, the code was pineapple liver. MD Farmer. So let's go back to the video. I don't see her comment. I want to go back to the video and let's see if she commented pineapple liver. Pineapple liver. Right there. So congratulations to MD Farmer. Please email me at christinawelchart@yahoo.com with your mailing address and I'll get it right out to you. Oh look, it was right here. So thanks guys for playing. I will be giving some more retreat stuff away during my live tomorrow, so make sure to join me. I have some aprons and I may have a few other things. So we'll see you then. Love you all. Bye.